If you want to use Gemini on Google Pixel 11 Pro, what you can do is you can, for example, open the Gemini app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. So if you open it, especially for the first time on your phone, then you will see this welcome message, so you can just tap on Get Started, and now you should be able to use Gemini very easily. You can write any prompt whatsoever, whenever you want to ask Gemini, you can just type it over here. But besides that, you can activate the microphone, so instead of typing your prompt, you can just say your prompt out loud. Your speech is going to be converted into a text, and then you should be able to get the answer to your prompt. Over here, we also have this plus button, which allows you to attach some files like photos. You can also use the camera. You can attach other files other than photos, of course. We can also access our Google Drive and so on. But also in here, you can set up a specific task for Gemini. So you can make them generate an image or edit an image that you provide. We can also generate music. We have canvas option and so on and so forth. Now, besides that, we also have this live mode, which allows you to have something like a proper conversation with the Gemini. So instead of just sending a prompt to get an answer, instead live mode tries to have a normal human-like conversation. So of course you can still ask them about anything, you can give them some commands, you can try to make them do something for you, but generally speaking, it is more for like conversations, as I said. And also here in this app, in the upper right corner, we have this option which allows us to activate temporary chats, and they will not appear in recent chats, which are here in the upper left corner. And they are not used to improve Google AI. They are stored for 72 hours for safety. Now in here, we can of course tap on these two lines to open the recent conversations that you have had or prompts that you have sent to Gemini. So if you want to go back to something, you should be able to find it in here. But besides that, you can tap on your Google account at the bottom of the screen. And then in here, if you go to settings, you can find Talk to Gemini hands-free. And this is where we can find Hey Google, which is the voice command that allows you to activate the Gemini at any point. So if you want to be able to activate Gemini without even touching your phone, then you can set this one up. And then whenever you say Hey Google out loud, Gemini is going to wake up and you can just ask them whatever you want to ask. And besides that, we have the power button shortcut. So you should be able to press and hold the power button, and this allows you to activate Gemini as well. In this case, if you use the power button, then we are going to use the microphone straight away, so we don't have to type anything. And of course, feel free to tap on the microphone to turn it off. And besides that, we have a shortcut for the screen share with the live mode. So if you found something on your phone and that you want to, I don't know, like if you want to get more information about this thing that you can see on your phone, then you should be able to use that option, activate the live mode, and you can have a chat with the Gemini about it. And of course, you can press this plus button to find some additional options, just like in the app. Now, in addition to that shortcut, we can also find the widget on the home screen. This is actually a widget that is immediately added. In case you do not have a widget anymore, you can press and hold your finger on the Gemini app, and then you can choose the widgets option. And then here you can, let's say, drag and drop the widget anywhere, and you can adjust the size of that widget as well, so you can make it slightly bigger to have access to more shortcuts. But of course, we can use it to activate and use Gemini at any point. And also, there is a little gesture that is available if you use gesture navigation, but we need to activate it first. So we're gonna go to settings on your phone. Now open display and touch. And then in here, we need to find the navigation mode. And then here, go to settings of the navigation mode, and you can find swipe to invoke assistant. So what you can do is you can swipe your finger from the bottom left or bottom right corner inwards like that to activate Gemini. And this works exactly the same way as the power button shortcut. And that is pretty much it. This is how we can use Gemini on Google Pixel 11 Pro. Leave a like and subscribe.